Axl Rose, the lead singer of Guns N' Roses, is facing a lawsuit filed by a woman named Sheila Kennedy. Kennedy alleges that Rose dragged her by the hair, tied her up, and raped her in a New York hotel back in 1989. The lawsuit was filed in New York State Supreme Court and seeks unspecified damages for sexual assault and battery. Kennedy's case falls under the Adult Survivors Act, a New York law that allows victims of sexual abuse to file civil suits even after the statute of limitations has expired. This law created a one-year window for such cases, which is set to close this week. Kennedy's lawsuit is just one of several recent cases against powerful men, including Steven Tyler, L.A. Reid, and Neil Portnow. In response to the allegations, Axl Rose's lawyer, Alan S. Gutman, stated that the incident never happened. He claims that Rose has no recollection of ever meeting or speaking to Kennedy and had never heard of these allegations before. According to Kennedy's lawsuit, she met Rose in 1989 at a New York nightclub. At the time, she was unaware of his fame as the lead singer of Guns N' Roses. Rose allegedly invited Kennedy and another woman to a party in his hotel suite, where he offered them drugs and alcohol. The lawsuit states that Rose engaged in aggressive sexual activity with the other woman, which appeared painful. Kennedy retreated to another room in the suite, where she could hear Rose yelling at the woman. The lawsuit continues, stating that Rose stormed into the room where Kennedy was, knocked her down, and dragged her back to his bedroom by her hair. He allegedly threw her face down on the bed, tied her hands behind her back with pantyhose, and sexually assaulted her without her consent. Kennedy claims that the incident has had a lasting impact on her mental health and career as an actress and model. She has previously discussed the encounter with Rose in interviews and in her memoir, No One's Pet. In the memoir, she described the encounter as violent but also expressed a desire to be with Rose. Kennedy's lawyer, Ann Oliverius, explained that it took time for Kennedy to come to terms with her experiences and be able to openly discuss them, as is the case for many victims of sexual assault.